If you ever felt like your salary just disappears every single month and you cannot work out where it all went, you're not alone and it's not your fault. The problem is not how much you earn, it's that nobody ever gave you a system. Now, you might have come across this clip recently. This is Ramit Sethi, best-selling author of I Will Teach You to Be Rich, as a guest on the Mel Robbins podcast. And in this short moment, it describes one of the most practical money frameworks I have ever heard.
Everybody needs these 4 numbers. These are all part of my conscious spending plan. The first is your fixed costs. And that number, you should try to get it between 50 to 60% of your take home. Next up, your savings. How much money are you saving every month? This should be roughly 5 to 10% of your take home. Next up would be investments. Roughly 5 to 10% of take home, although I like to see it higher because investing early in life pays dividends later. The last category is my favorite one of all. It's guilt-free spending. This is 20 to 35% of take-home pay.
What?
Now, yeah, that's right.
4 buckets. That is the whole framework. And the reason Ramit made it so simple is intentional, because complexity is what kills most budgets before they even start. Now, it does go into a lot more depth in that full podcast episode. I will drop the link in the description so you can go and watch the full thing. It is well worth your time. But what I noticed was this. It gave the framework. What nobody had built was a practical, ready-to-use tool that makes it easy to actually apply it every single month. So I did, and this is exactly what today's video is about. Before I show you the templates, let me quickly break down the 4 buckets, because once you understand the logic, the whole thing clicks. Bucket 1, fixed cost, 50 to 60% of your take-home pay. This is everything non-negotiable. Rent, bills, groceries, childcare, transport, the things that happen whether you like it or not. If this bucket alone is eating more than 60% of your income, that is your first warning sign. And here is what this framework actually does for you in practice. The moment your fixed cost exceeds that 60% mark, it is designed to start a conversation with yourself, not a panic, a conversation. You ask, where can I trim this? Can I renegotiate my bills? Can I reduce any of this cost, however small, to create enough breathing room for the other 3 buckets to actually work? That self-awareness is the whole point. The buckets do not just track your money. They tell you when something needs your attention. Bucket 2, savings, 5 to 10%. We have stuff like emergency fund, holiday fund, house deposits, car replacements, anything you are setting aside for a future need. Ramit is very clear on this. Savings is not what is left over at the end of the month. It is what you allocate at the start. Bucket 3, investments, another 5 to 10%. That's where you have stocks, ISA, pension contributions, your business or side also. Property, this is where money builds more money over time. Even a small, consistent amount compounding over years becomes something life-changing. Bucket 4, guilt-free spending, about 20 to 35%. This is the one that surprises people most, and it's actually one of Ramit's most important points. He argues that most budgets fail not because people spend too much, but because they feel guilty about every purchase they make. This bucket fixes that. Dining out, entertainment, subscriptions, the gym, kids' activities, it's all pre-approved. You spend it without guilt because you have already taken care of the other 3 buckets first. That is the insight. The other matters. Fix the structure first, then enjoy your money. And here's what Ramit says about why most people never do this. It is not motivation they are missing. It is a system. Once the system is in place, the behavior follows naturally. That is exactly what this template gives you. I have built a fully designed Excel template, 3 clean sheets, color-coded, all linked together, that takes Ramit's 4-bucket framework and turns it into something you can actually sit down with every single month. You do not need to know advanced Excel. You do not need to build anything from scratch. You open it, enter your numbers in the yellow cells, and everything else calculates automatically. Let me show you exactly what is inside. The first sheet is called budget, and it is the only place in the entire template where you type anything. Everything else flows from what you enter here. At the very top, you have your income. 4 income source fields: salary, freelance, side income, whatever applies to you. Type your monthly take home and the annual figure appears automatically right here. Below that, all 4 buckets sit side by side, each one owning its bold color throughout the entire template. Navy blue for fixed cost, forest green for savings, purple for investment, amber for guilt-free spending. Inside fixed cost, you have every real item: rent or mortgage, gas and electricity, water, broadband, mobile phone, council tax, TV license, car insurance, petrol, parking, groceries, childcare, household essentials, and debt repayment. Everything that does not change month to month is right here. Savings has all the goals people actually have. We have something like emergency fund, holiday or travel fund, house deposit, car replacement, Christmas and celebrations fund, education and training fund. Future you is already covered. Investment covers stocks and shares ISA, workplace pension extra contribution, private pension or SIPP, business or side hustle fund, and property investment fund. Whatever wealth building looks like for your situation. Guilt-free as dining out, entertainment and night out, clothing and shopping, subscription like Netflix, Spotify, and so on, gym and fitness, gifts and celebrations, hobbies, kids' activities, and days out, and beauty and personal grooming. Everything that makes life enjoyable, pre-allocated so there's no guilt attached. Along the bottom, a summary bar pulls it all together. Total outgoings, monthly surplus, savings rate as a percentage, and annual surplus. Everything live, everything automatic. The summary sheet is your financial dashboard. Nothing to type here. It pulls everything live from the budget sheet the moment you updated your figures. At the top, you have your monthly income and annual total. Then 4 bucket cards, each one showing your target budget for that bucket, your actual spend, how much you have remaining, and a status that tells you outright whether you are on track or need to review. Below that, 3 headline numbers: monthly surplus, savings rate as a percentage, and annual surplus. And then the section I personally find most powerful: percentage of income. This tells you whether each bucket is sitting inside Ramit's recommended target zones. In range means you are aligned with the framework. Adjust means that bucket needs rebalancing. And this is where the template ends its keep. The moment you see your fixed cost sitting above 60%, whether it flags adjust or you spot it in the numbers, that is the template doing exactly what it is designed to do. It is prompting a conversation with yourself. You start asking, what can I cut back? What fixed expense can I reduce, even slightly, to bring this back into balance and give the other 3 buckets room to breathe? That conversation is where real financial change begins. The template just makes sure you have it every single month. The goals sheet is where financial intention become actual plans. 10 goal rows, pre-labeled with the goals most people genuinely have. Emergency fund, holiday or dream trip, house deposit, new car, wedding fund, professional course or education, home renovation, business startup fund, Christmas and celebrations, children's future fund. For each goal, you enter 3 things: your target amount, how much you have already saved, and how much you can put towards it each month. The months go up column does the rest. It tells you exactly how long until you reach that goal, based on what you can realistically commit right now. No vague intention, a number and a countdown. That is it. Here's what I know about most people who feel stressed about money. It is not that they do not earn enough. It is that every month starts with no structure and ends with no answer. And Ramit's point is exactly right. The missing piece is never motivation. It is always a system. The 4 buckets framework gives you the structure. This template gives you the execution. You have both in one place ready to go. No more guessing. No more month-end surprises, just a clear plan, updated once a month, that tells you exactly where you stand across all 4 buckets. I have designed it to look and feel like something worth opening every month, because if your budgeting tool feels like a chore, you will stop using it. This one should not. The template is available now. The link is in the description. First thing you see. One-time purchase, no subscription, no upsells. You buy it once and it is yours to use every single month, this year and every year after. If you have been putting off getting serious about your money, this is the easiest first step to take. 3 sheets, 4 buckets, everything automatic. The link is in the description. Go and grab it. And if this whole video helped you, hit the like button. Leave a comment telling me which bucket is your biggest challenge right now. And subscribe if you want to see more content like this every week. I'll see you in the next one.